So hot.
Do it for you.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you have subscribed during the course of the week, welcome.
My name is Nande.
Yes, my name is Zenande. My name is Zenande and you are welcome here. To my returning subbies, the returning people, welcome back you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. Today is Tuesday. Yo, hey, Australia. Australia. I'm doing my hair, as you guys can see. I took off the braids last week, so I'm redoing my hair. So there's a thick this time around because I don't want to spend a lot of time sitting down, because it's not even easy. It's not easy sitting down and plaiting my hair or braiding my hair. So I quickly had to take a bath. I had to quickly take a bath. I wanted a boy. Anyways, yeah guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. Yesterday I didn't pick up the camera because my energy was on 0 or minus. So today at least, and I'm doing my hair. I woke up early, so I started doing my hair. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. I don't have any plans for this week, but we'll see. So I just wanted to open the vlog, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is Thursday. I can't believe I haven't vlogged this week. I don't think there's gonna be a vlog. Look, if this video doesn't make it to the vlog, or if I can't consolidate this into a vlog, then, and yes. I think for Sunday, for this vlog, in fact, I'm gonna say spend the day with me, because that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right now I'm in the other room. I'm in the nursery room. I received a box today that I'm going to unbox, and it's a chest of drawers yomntwana. It's pretty small. I'm quite disappointed. There's always that one room in the house that is like the laundry room, because upside down there's laundry everywhere, but it's clean clothes. So I'm gonna have to mobilize these clothes to indawo zazo, to rooms zazo, so I can clean here. So wish me luck. I really don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to turn this into a nursery room. I really don't know how I'm going to turn this into a nursery room, but I have to try. So yeah, let's clean together. This is the current situation. This is the mess. These clothes are all clean, guys, all clean. And then there's a base from our main bedroom. Remember, we changed our bed to a queen-sized bed, so in a base game. This is the baby's cot, and then it's not the full set. The rest, I think the other two piece, yeah, I think the car seat and the, I don't know what you call that thing, alala kuyumtan, it's in Cape Town. So hopefully my partner is gonna be able to come back with it, my boya imakaya. So yeah, this is how the room looks. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to clean, because I need to pack those and yeah, get rid of this mess. So let's do that. Let's start working.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, I'm what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. Won't share my world.
name is Amanda. My name is Mommy. Like a voice. I told you. My birthday tomorrow. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do.
Aibo. No hardware, no nothing, no screws. Package. So sidibanisa kanjani izinto? Angisedikwa ngake ngo. Hayibo. No book, no nothing. What is this? I don't even think, guys, I'm going to model these clothes. I think I'm going to insert the pictures on the side. I'm hoping that at least one or two items fit me, because nothing fits, guys. Nothing fits now. So I've got this dress up. In a slit. Obviously I will show you guys a picture on the side of the model. I'm not gonna be the model this time around. And then I got myself a pajamas. So the pajama and a top ya corner. And the third item is this two-piece. It's a green two-piece crop top. Ngelo xesha umuntu unentesh. Umuntu nesisasikhulu kodwa uphetha nge-crop top. Another 2-piece. Hey, sunny light le. We'll see through. I don't even remember how this one looks. Yeah. Hayi yaxa sendibelekile le into. Hayibo. Where's my phone? Why don't I remember this one? Shein. Why don't I remember Lena? Hey Jesu. And I call Eve. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, next one. There's new pajamas. I think I'll probably change the 2 dresses that are options, the coming home outfit from the previous video that I shot. Yeah, what's in my hospital bag. I'll probably take 2 dresses from Le Order because it makes sense, man. And then I've got this night dress. It says just believe. Oh, yes. There's another 2-piece short and a crop top. I think I believe I'm gonna go back to my pre-pregnancy body, and his outfits is it okay. Oh, crop top bodwa. I think there's only one option for me to wear today. Another dress is ifika because amabele nanga, and then waist nice and ambitious, and then what is this? Oh, another pajama, another night dress. I think fuchani tipo siskipa. Hi siskipa son. And then last but definitely not least, clothing items. I wish I'd gotten a nude one, like a beige color, but then by the time the checker out, it was out of stock, so I had to settle for the black one. Young influence, if you are an influencer and you don't have this 2-piece out. And then remember guys, I said I would stock up on these, so I did. I stocked up on these things. these umbalis because I was so disappointed the last time, so I bought 3 more. So gcwalisa ngoclaves the imbalis, and then I got more imbalis. Jesus, vele zijambe ke izinto uba zi-fake, and ke once ijambe uba i-fake, wait, just what can we do? Because the fresh flowers is ziyabhora shame. So I bought 3 of these. I'm gonna see how they look. Clear vase of those small vases, or those small vases that I have in the lounge. Yeah, so I'll put them there. I'm not gonna put them in a jar that's in the kitchen. So yeah, that is all for Shein. I think I'm going to wear this dress today because wow, then I'll just try and fit the green one and see how it looks. And then which one? Maybe on Friday, graduation, I'll wear the black 2-piece. I don't know, I'll see. I really don't know, because long as it go crop top, except for this dress, the green 2-piece na crop top, but I think I can work around it, especially for Saturday or Friday. I'll see which day I'm gonna wear, because I've got today, Friday and Saturday. The days zomswenko is. So yeah, let me try and do that and see how they look, and then get on with the rest of the day. Today later on, I'm going to assemble the chest of drawers, and then the qoqe and the upper in this room. I need to do that at least today. So yeah guys, I'll see you later. Let me try these things on.
That's why we take drugs to escape. I feel the rain, it burns like pain.
Hi guys. It's still Sunday. We went out for early dinner. Went to a restaurant for an early dinner, and then we came back. I am so exhausted. I didn't even assemble a chest of drawers that I said I would assemble today, but tomorrow is another day, guys. I am extremely exhausted. So yeah, basically that's it. I just wanted to check in and just update you guys. I think you can tell, like, my face looks swollen. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. The vlog still continues. I'm going to do laundry tomorrow, and then obviously while the washing machine is busy, I'm going to be assembling the chest of drawers. I hope you guys are good. And yeah, I'm tired. I'm really tired. But yeah guys, morning guys, and welcome back to my vlog. I hope my microphone is secured. Because from last week's footage, ndivile audio yam ibino I don't know what was going on. But anyway, today is Monday and I'm continuing with the vlog. I'll probably post this on Thursday, I don't know. I'm currently doing the laundry and I am so tired, as per usual. Tired in the morning. I don't think Betty Lutenji even 10. It's 10:30. So yeah, I'm in my daughter's room. I'm doing the laundry, and then I'm waiting for a delivery from Amazon. My hair is coming, my braiding hair is coming through, my braiding hair will be delivered today, so I need to finish doing my hair, and I'll just show you guys. This house is a mess. It's a mess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. I see Yoli. I am so tired, and the thing is, today I'm doing a little bit of everything on my to-do list today, and I don't know I'm gonna do everything. I don't know if I'll be able to do everything, because I'm doing a little bit of everything at the same time. Number one was laundry or easy laundry, and then clean the house, organize the pantry, assemble the baby's cabinet, do my hair, and then in brackets I said if I have any energy left. And then number 6, I have to go and buy I have to go to the shops to go and buy nappies for Fezokuhle. But she is slowly, you know what, she is improving on potty training. She asks for a potty when she wants to pee. The only thing she's struggling with is asking for a potty when she wants to poo-poo, and she only poo-poos once a day. So when she wants to pee, she asks, "Mommy, I want to pee," and she gets so excited and she pees. So, and on Friday as well, she started on Thursday asking for a potty, and then on Friday at school she used the toilet, and then she's been asking for a potty ever since. So yeah guys, I have 3 loads left with laundry, and then I'm done. In terms of cleaning the house, I think I'm 90% done. It's only the kitchen that's left. That's where I'm doing the laundry, so I will finish up everything once I'm done with the laundry. Otherwise, I've cleaned the rooms and the lounge. Yeah, so I only have like 3 loads left of the laundry. What else do I need to do today? Organizing the pantry, I don't think I'll be able to. Like, I was trying to think once I organize kanjani la pantry, but I don't know, man. I don't know if I should do anything there, but I'll see. If I want to do it, if I want to organize the pantry, then it will definitely be tomorrow, because I'm done. And then I received the package from Amazon. Is it Amazon? Yeah, I ordered on Amazon, but it came with a tall courier. So my hair is here. I don't know, I think I didn't blend until last time, this time around when I was doing my hair. The last time, at least I could debopi pond, right? I could do a ponytail and the hair wouldn't show. But this time around, and I had so much fiber, but for some reason I don't know what happened. Maybe because it's a thick easy braids, that's why. I'm hoping it's the same color. I think it's the same color. 14. We still in earlier. 14 now. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue doing my hair again because I'm waiting for a load to finish. I'm done with cleaning, almost done. It's just the kitchen that's left. And then yeah, I'm just gonna snack with some fruits, and then I'm going to continue doing my hair because I need to at least cover up. Even Perila Ongamanda Kube, at least this part doesn't show, because this is embarrassing. This is embarrassing, so I need to at least be able to and just cover it up. So yeah guys, I'll see you later. I am extremely exhausted. Even last night I even took pain tablets to go to sleep because I was just done. Anyways guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's later on in the day. It's 21:37. Just wanted to update you guys cause ndinigqibele emini. So today, remember I had a to-do list. So I had a lot. I had like 6 items on my to-do list. I had laundry to do, cleaning the house, organizing the pantry, assembling the baby's cabinet, assembling the baby's cabinet, doing my hair, and also going to the shops for Fizz's nappies. I managed to do the laundry, so that's 100% done. It's outside though. I'm not gonna take it inside. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm just so tired. And then in terms of cleaning the house, I cleaned the house, though I'm not satisfied, but yeah, the house looks clean. I cleaned the house for today, so I'm gonna clean again tomorrow, but it won't be a lot because I cleaned today. Organizing the pantry, I think I said to you guys that I might not organize it. It will depend. I don't think I'm going to organize it. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm just going to tidy up and then that's it. And then assembling the baby's cabinet, I didn't do a dime today. I didn't do anything today concerning that. I just decided, let me just rather save that for tomorrow. Why is this not counting? God, dear record. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing me how much time I have left. Maybe it's because I'm shooting in the night and the quality won't be the same as when I'm shooting during the day. So yeah. Anyways, today I didn't do the pantry. I don't know Babendistin, but I didn't do the pantry. I decided against it. And then I didn't do the cabinet. I didn't do the baby's chest of drawers or the baby's cabinet because I decided to do my hair today and finish doing my hair. And as you can see, you guys, I'm almost done. It's just a tad bit that's left because I ran out of fiber once again, but I am expecting a delivery. It will be delivered I think tomorrow or Wednesday the latest, but kushota nje or kushege like four braids to be done. So I'm almost done. I'm like 90% done. I decided to focus on one thing because the to-do list was just all over the place and I was doing this and that at the same time, and I was risking everything today, like leave everything maybe at 70% or 80% and not 100% done because I was doing a lot in one day. So I decided, you know what, let me just finish braiding my hair and not just stop and then go and start something else like do the cabinet. And also I don't want to do it at night because I don't want to compromise the quality. I don't know by the quality of video if I were to assemble it ebusuku, so I'd rather do it during the day with natural light because iba ngcono quality then. So at least tomorrow I have something to do, which will be assembling the baby's cabinet and cleaning the house. I think that will be all, and then I will obviously start editing the vlog and then I'll post it on Thursday. I didn't take clips of me doing whatever I was doing today because I was just all over the show, you guys. Bendy sends the laundry, and then while waiting for the laundry I'd sit down and do my hair, braid my hair, and then I was just all over the place. But and then I do the laundry and my hair in between, so I didn't take clips of any of that because it was just not organized, be messy. So I'll take clips tomorrow when I'm assembling the cabinet, and I'm hoping that everything is in that box, the other box that they delivered on Friday, so I can finish up the nursery room, which is looking like a mess right now because it's like a laundry room. Laundry and I tried to clean up, but it's just not budging. But anyway, I'll try tomorrow and hopefully I'll be able to clean up. I think my focus tomorrow will be in that room or in that room. Yeah, because I need to finish it ASAP. Anyways, I just wanted to update you guys. I just wanted to update you. Let me just take a pain tablets, I think, because sisithaba sameva. I don't know why ndiziqinisa njengoba ngathi ndenzwa ngumuntu engamaziyo, but it becomes neat like ndizitsalile in my hairline, guys. Yo. It is this time around. Yo. Ngamneno leziqala enqintsu. I was avoiding his braids is being ngayo, but and yes, I just can't. That's the thing. So now, yeah, Cinda, because I bought I think 5 packets of praline, and each is like 100 grams. Each is like 100 grams, so being 500 grams, and then I bought 3, which is 8. Yeah, the 5-piece comes as, it says here, out of stock. Just see. So the weight is 100 grams per piece. So I bought 5 initially, and then the other one, because it's 2 colors, yebo, kukhona le, kube khona le. So these were 5 and then these were 3, I think. Yes, 300 grams. So I added a new 500 grams today. So I'm about a kg in this toilet talk. I start 1.0 grams. It's 1.3. Yo. Anyway, so I'm hoping that, but at least now I can style my hair and you can't see my natural hair underneath because I've managed to cover it up. It's like here, so it's not a train smash, because the next piece to arrive, it's arriving on the 20th of December, but already it's in Perth, so I think I should be able to receive it sometime in the week. I think I'll receive it sometime this week, crossing fingers. Okay, anyway, because when I have to import or export this data from a camera to my phone in order to edit. So let me stop right here and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Welcome to what?
Yeah. My name is Mandy.
Welcome to a vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is it Tuesday or Wednesday? It's Tuesday today. Today is Tuesday, and yo guys, as you can tell, I don't have energy at all. But yeah, I just want to assemble the chest of drawers and get it over and done with, because delaying it doesn't help either. So I'm just going to unbox the second box, and then I'm going to assemble it. So yeah, Faith is gonna help me. Are you gonna help me, Nana? Okay. Yeah. Huh? This room is a mess. It's a mess.
Come on, Matt. Okay. Come on.
When's that?
Bye-bye. Are you done?
Is that cleaning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hmm?
My name is Mandy.
Hey, your name is Nandi. Wow. Wow,
Mommy. Hi guys, welcome to your vlog. My name is Mandy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Faith.
Hi.
Yok. Asa zip is ne yards. Oh, zip is ne yards. Zip is and yards. I think it's out there. I'm going to need help.
No.
Get myself.
I need help.
Hey,
Mommy, let me help you.
help me, please.
Okay. This is paper. Okay, paper. Cute.
Around, I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine, to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe watching, I'll be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I'll be on my Junior watching, I'll be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I'll be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I'll be on my 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took off, we took off, we took off, we took off. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and pitch, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one really it's a crenshaw, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting pissed off, think we need to have a sun adventure, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even front like I don't miss you, right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own, soon as I free up I'm about to pop up on your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, who am I, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me,
I'm outside in it.
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me,
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is Friday, the 16th of December.
Mommy?
My name is Zenande. This is the longest vlog ever. The footage is over 2 hours long and I need to edit that. I've been trying to import or export to my phone and it's been a headache. It's been a real headache, but I'll get there. Nothing much happened in this vlog, even though it took me over 2 weeks to shoot it. Yeah guys, I think I've just been exhausted. Yesterday I didn't pick up the camera. On Wednesday I don't think I picked up the camera, but at least I've managed to assemble the cabinet, the baby's cabinet. or the chest of drawers. At least that is sorted, so I'm happy with that. Otherwise guys, I really thought that I was gonna take part ku Vlogmas, but sana Vlogmas would take kaput the out to red card. So yeah guys, this is the last vlog of the year. I wish you guys all the best. Have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I hope to see you guys next year again, supporting me. I'd really appreciate that. Otherwise guys, there's nothing much. Guys, there's nothing much, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and hoping for bigger and better things next year. Please be safe if you are on the road, if you're driving on the road, and please take care guys. Busy, have a fun during the festive season. I know that now is the time for omigidis. It's time for omigidis, so I'm not gonna post because people are not gonna be watching anyway, because you guys are busy with your families, you are bonding and all of that jazz. So I'm not going to bother you guys and expect you to watch my videos. And in December, nobody cares about YouTube. I know that with me, because when then Gabina network so I never used to bother myself. So yeah, I hope to see you guys bright and early next year. Take care of yourselves guys. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one next year. Stay safe and God bless. Bye. Come say bye.
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 Bye. You Shein, I like.
Bye.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, you must eat your food. Eh?
Bye.
Bye.